Hello students, myself Muthuraj NP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. Now I will explain you people about the natural convection. Let me tell you what do you mean by the convection process. Convection process means here the heat transfer takes place in the mode of convection due to molecules bulk motion. This is happen only in the fluid. The fluid either it may be in the liquid form or gaseous form. Consider here a hot egg is there. You will keep this one on the table, during which due to the natural convection the heat will be transferred from the egg to the surrounding because of the buoyancy effect. Same way here you have the cold beverage where heat will be transferred from outside to the inside just because of the temperature difference. That means heat will be transferred through the fluid in the mode of natural convection process. Natural convection means due to buoyancy effect or density difference. The density between the hot fluid and the density between the cold fluid which gives the natural convection process. In the boundary layer theory you will come to know the hydraulic boundary layer thickness, thermal boundary layer thickness. All these things you can learn through the forced convection and the natural convection chapter. See, why I am showing this heat transfer data handbook means it is 8th edition. In the page, in subsequent page numbers I will tell the formula where all these things are available, but at the page number 112 very important definitions, Grashof number, Nusselt number, Prandtl number, all these are available. How to take this? Let us see. Nusselt number is very important dimensionless number in the convection heat transfer process, where it's having the definition that the temperature gradient by the conduction to the temperature gradient by the convection. The formula will be going to nu it is equal to H theoretical L divided by K. If the material or your body, if it is horizontal, then you want to take here D. If it is vertical, you want to take L. Next, Grashof number. It is the ratio of product of inertia force, buoyancy force divided by square of the viscous force. Therefore, the equation will be going to like this. What is this mean film temperature? Mean temperature. Let me explain here in this particular point only. We have the surface temperature of the body Ts, ambient temperature Ta. Therefore, in between you have the film. This is the film, air film it will be there. That temperature we have to take air film temperature. It is equal to Ts plus Ta divided by 2. That temperature will be so called as mean temperature of film temperature. So this is the equation L cube beta G of T mean temperature minus T ambient temperature divided by kinematic viscosity squared. Prandtl number is the ratio of diffusivity due to the momentum to diffusivity due to the thermal energy. That is, the formula will be going to like this: mu Cp divided by K. Prandtl number is equal to mu Cp divided by K. So this is the mean film temperature. You want to take the film temperature here. This is the surface temperature, ambient temperature. The length will be L, diameter is D, and then surface area will be going to pi dl, because throughout the surface heat will be transferred. This is the body. Here we have the surface. Throughout the body heat will be transferred. That's why we have to take the pi dl. In our department experimental setup it is like this. We have to measure the temperature T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, and also here you want to measure the temperature T7, also you want to measure T7, and then this will be going to T8 temperature. Sorry, this is supposed to be T8 temperature. Make it correction, T8 temperature. So film temperature will be like this. Observation you want to take, this will be going to 0.45 meter, this will be going to 0.045 meter. Observation tabular column, you want to note down this observation tabular column. Vi and then temperature T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, and then observation you can note down after completion of experiment. T surface temperature is T7, T8. So surface temperature is T7, T8. At this particular point, you want to note down these thermal properties of the air. Properties you must note down from the data handbook. Note the values of air at temperature, T film temperature from the data handbook. The value will be lies between 60 to 70 degree. Here you want to note down all these values. In the form of table, you note down all these values. Suppose if the value is 65.5, then it is lies in between this. You want to go for the interpolation method. Okay, by using interpolation method, you can note down rho, mu, kinematic viscosity, Prandtl number, thermal conductivity, and the thermal diffusivity. It is not required in this experiment. This is also not required. Note all the values. You want to calculate the heat transfer coefficient by two methods. One is theoretical method, another one is experimental method. In the experimental method, this is the formula, and the theoretical method, Grashof number you want to calculate. The beta is volumetric thermal expansion coefficient, that will be per Kelvin. Whatever the film temperature you get, add 273, 1 upon that one you will give, it will give the beta value. For higher value of Grashof number, you will get the equation Nusselt number is equal to 0.59 into Grashof Prandtl number over to the power of 0.25. This is at the page number 136 for vertical position, and also for heat, constant heat flux and a constant wall temperature. Nusselt number will be going to like this: Nusselt number K divided by L. This is the observation, and readings you want to note down. First you want to switch on the dimmer. You want to allow the experiment for 20 minutes to reach the steady state. After this, you take for different value in the interval of 5 minutes for 50, 60, 70. We'll note down the voltage and current, note down the temperatures, all this value you note down. So experiment value how to calculate: surface temperature you know, ambient temperature is T8. This ambient temperature will be going to T8 or TA you note down, and then voltage into current will give the amount of heat energy transfer. Then surface area, already I told you people to. Then mean temperature you can note down, ambient temperature you can note down. From the data handbook you will note on all these values. Calculate your Nusselt number, Grashof number, Prandtl number like this. Theoretical value you can calculate. Finally note down all the temperatures, and then experimental value, theoretical value you calculate and tabulate. These are the Viva questions. Pause the video, clearly see to the Viva questions. These are all the Viva questions. Thank you one and all.